I honestly don't even know where to start with this thing. I guess just diving right on in is the only thing I can do. Start pulling it apart and seeing if we can get it back together somehow. Let's go ahead and get these amps out of here. Now that the speakers are out. This thing's sitting on some new wipes to keep it from vibrating. How's that thing even? Oh, it's not even screwed in. It's just wedged in there. See that? That's drama. All right, well, got a little distribution block down here. Just disconnect that for safety. We got the Gravity 1400 watts max. Let's get this Alpine out of here. We got a self tapper. We got a sheetrock screw. We got some RCAs. Oh, there's nothing at the bottom. That makes it easy. Disconnect that real quick. That's just too much. I'm just gonna cut all that shit off.
Oh, holy fuck.
It'll be all right.
What is?
It's just too many to unscrew right now. Whoa. Whoa, that was cool. Alpine Flex 4, not bad. And this is what started it all right here. All his blown 40 amp fuses. Oh, well, we found a good one. Shit, that's a good 40. Oh, some blown 30 ampers. We got some fucking round table Parmesan in here. We got, this is gonna be butter, I can already tell. No, fuck, it's Jim Boy's hot sauce. I thought it was butter because it's kind of yellow on the back. Some more hot sauce. Good. Brandon, I'll give you the change that you find if you vacuum this motherfucker out for me. Deal?
Deal.
Hey, check out this ground. Multi-point, the way we like them. This way they don't rotate on you. It's always best to do that so they don't rotate. Whoever uses these, rotation or not, man, don't ever use those things. Look at that. Garbage.
Whoa, shit.
It's grounded right there and this is still hot, so there we go. Check out that distro block. Badass. Hey, we got a fry. Dude, we got a fucking fry, dude. We got another self-tapper here where it's holding something down. It's zip tied. What is that doing? Holding some wires down, keeping this shit all nice. Yeah, you can just rip that cap out of here. It should be ready to go. Oh, it's grounded. It's still on the thing. Just pull that thing off. There you go. Hey, when he first came, he said, I keep blowing fuses, man. You got a 40 amp fuse I can borrow? So I saw this, and I said, you got other problems besides that 40 amp fuse. So I already cut that all out of the system and got them back on the road again. But this is some of the remnants we're left with. Take that shit out of here, man. grits, white, hot sauce. We got some Parmesan. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Start with this. So I was trying to figure out what exactly this wire does, what he's powering with it. I think I found out. This is the old LED light. So there's the light right there going up to a relay screwed to the dash. And then right on over here to a couple of wire nuts that are obviously twisted onto that Romax cable. Sorry, Rob. That's gotta go, man. Get this shit out of here. Hell yeah, badass. What is this? God damn it. I have no idea what this is for. What is that? Now these are all different sizes. Everything on here is different sizes. We got Phillips. We got a 5/16. We got a 3/8. And a few minutes ago I used the quarter. And that one was at a 45. This thing was towed in place.
Nice handle.
Look at that. Oh Lord. What is that? Brandon, what'd you say this handle was made out of?
What?
What'd you say this handle was made out of?
I said it looked like the top to a toolbox.
I don't know, man. Oh. There it is. That was easy to pull out. Nasty ass door panel. Here, Brandito.
Loyal to my soil, never leave a path without my blessing on. Cause I surround myself with family.
Your turn, Brandon. Hey, don't forget the Mentos stuck to the carpet. You can have it if you want it. The Brandito. There's some aerosol BD?
Candy.
Candy?
It was like nerds. Get this.
Ain't that bad, is it?
Oh, that was a roach, dude.
You found a roach?
It was like a half a joint just now, dude.
Bust it up. We got most of this stuff busted out. Door panels are off. The battery's mostly disconnected full of all that crazy wiring that was on it. A couple more still lingering. I'll pull those off later. To be honest, I don't even know where I'm gonna start with this. This is not gonna be fun. But the interior is finally vacuumed out nice and clean. Looks good in here. The dash isn't too bad. We'll clean that up a little. We'll leave the dash mat on there. Won't pull that off. Get some kick panels for the highs. Try to make the doors look normal if we can. Get this thing bumping. Now, of course, the original plan was just to clean up his old stuff and make it proper for him, but that's never the case around here. You can never just clean something up. It's all about ripping it all out and starting from the beginning. And I highly doubt I'm putting that same stuff in here. Now, he's not getting 418s. He's gonna have a nice little system, but it ain't gonna be the garbage that we just pulled out. We're gonna fix this up, make it a lot better. What did I get myself into? Stay tuned, you'll find out.